Welcome to the Trusted Analytics Platform, TAP, test drive on Amazon Web Services. This test drive has been designed to give data scientists an opportunity to explore the fundamentals of TAP through an interactive demo. Trusted Analytics Platform, TAP, provides the tools and services that system operators, data scientists, and application developers need to ingest data from multiple sources and in disparate formats, analyze data and design analytic models, then make this processed data easily consumable by applications to provide solutions for business users that drive value from data. This video will walk you through the core features and functionality of TAP. It will show how system operators, data scientists, and application developers work with TAP. TAP includes a rich marketplace where tools and services can be easily integrated and provisioned on demand. This self-service data science environment provides a catalog of analytics tools for ingestion, streaming, processing, and data storage. The TAP Marketplace is available via a simple browser-based interface for selecting components and creating instances of each one. The demo's dataset contains information from web servers related to traffic network traffic, specifically incoming and outgoing internet traffic. In the demo, the dataset will be read and trained to establish a normal traffic pattern by tying the network edges and nodes together. Then, it builds a graph showing all the connections based on the node's IP addresses. Finally, it produces a number of charts and graphs to show the network traffic flow and display outliers, which are outside the normal traffic pattern. Now, before starting your TAP test drive on AWS, be sure to have the demo guide accessible. We suggest that you download the PDF before beginning your test drive. You will need to follow steps in the TAP demo guide to complete the test drive. To get started, click the Launch Test Drive button. Please note that once you launch your TAP test drive, you will have 4 hours to complete it. You cannot pause the test drive, so be sure that it's a good time to do the test drive before you click Launch. A timer will let you know how much longer the test drive setup will take. Note that this is estimated time. Your setup could go more quickly. When your test drive is ready to start, the In Progress arrow will turn green. You will see a timer that notes the time remaining on your test drive. As noted earlier, you cannot pause the TAP test drive. Do not click the Stop button unless you want to completely end the TAP test drive. The Stop button is not a pause button. In the demo guide, there are references to the test drive environment window. This is the black area located at the bottom right of the test drive console. As part of your test drive, you will receive a series of emails. It is important that you review these as they contain information that you will need to complete your test drive. These emails will come from 3 senders. The first is Orbiterra, which is the organization that manages AWS test drives. The other 2 senders will be TAP Test Drive and Trusted Analytics. These are emails generated from your test drive instance of TAP. Please be sure to check your email for these when you launch your test drive. Your test drive should be almost ready now. You can pause this video now and download the demo guide. Or if you would like to see the short demo of TAP, the rest of this video will walk you through the core features and functionality of TAP. It will show how system operators, data scientists, and application developers work with TAP. Trusted Analytics Platform, TAP, provides the tools and services that system operators, data scientists, and application developers need to ingest data from multiple sources and in disparate formats, analyze data and design analytic models, then make this processed data easily consumable by applications to provide solutions for business users that drive value from data. This video will walk you through the core features and functionality of TAP. It will show how system operators, data scientists, and application developers work with TAP. This is the TAP dashboard. It provides quick view into all applications and shows how many applications are running, how many applications are down, how many users are consuming each application, and what system resources used are being used and what's available. From the User Management section in the left navigation bar, users can easily be added to the TAP environment. Email invitations can be sent, and pending invitations can also be seen from the onboarding screen. User Management Onboarding allows users to be easily added to the TAP environment. TAP includes a rich marketplace where tools and services can be easily integrated and provisioned on demand. This self-service data science environment provides a catalog of analytics tools for ingestion, streaming, processing, and data storage. The TAP Marketplace is available via a simple browser-based interface for selecting components and creating instances of each one. Data can be easily imported into TAP from the data catalog. Users can select file format, specify the category of the data set, and also visualize it using tools such as Arcadia or Hue. To upload a data set, the user chooses input type, link, or local path. Here, the data set is uploaded from the user's desktop. When the data set file is selected, the user gives the data set a title, selects a category, then uploads the file to the data catalog. The data set is successfully uploaded to the data catalog. By default, it is stored in HDFS. After the data is uploaded, the file is listed as an available data set, and the user can click View to see information about the data set. By clicking View, the users can see metadata associated with the file, as well as select a visualization tool such as Hue or Arcadia to view the file. Here, the user is reviewing the data set in Hue, a columnar format. The screen shows the names of the columns of the data. This is a sample view of the data in Hue. The TAP Analytics Toolkit is based on Spark and includes a variety of libraries for data transformation, feature identification, and predictive algorithms. Using the TAP Analytics Toolkit, the users can see current Spark instances and create a Spark instance. From this screen, users can view and create new instances of the TAP Analytics Toolkit. Here, the user assigns a name to the TAP Analytics Toolkit instance. This shows the new instance and other installed instances. This is the new MyAct instance that is accessed by clicking the instance URL. Here, IPython is launched through Jupyter, and a new instance is created and given a name. This shows the new Jupyter IPython instance, along with the URL to access it. By clicking the URL on the previous screen, the user can access the Jupyter IPython instance. This shows the TAP Analytics Toolkit being imported into Jupyter Notebook. Next, a credential file is created and permission given to the user. Finally, the user connects to the server with the credential file. To start, a frame is created using upload rows, which is good for small data sets. And TAP Analytics Toolkit frame is built. And the data and data schema are specified and the frame is named. Then, the user can inspect what is in the frame. Next, a column is added to the frame. Finally, the user can inspect what's in the new frame. Go back to Data Catalog to get target URL for abalone.csv, then access abalone.csv in Jupyter using target URL, then specify schema. Next, create and name a frame. Then, it shows what's in frame. Finally, the user can inspect the frame. By default, TAP shows then rows of frame, but the bottom rows are cropped off here. All 10 rows are visible in this view. Users click the Applications tab to see all apps. Clicking the app URL shows related data. From the Services tab under Applications, users can take actions for the applications, delete, start, stop, restage. The Bindings tab in the Application Services section shows details of what the app is bound to, and users have the option to unbind and/or bind to other services. This shows the Space Shuttle application created using TAP. The model for this application has been trained on real Space Shuttle data. The application shows real-time anomalies. From this snapshot, the timestamps can be seen at the bottom of the screen. Learn more about how you can use TAP for creating and deploying advanced analytics for your applications. You can find more information about TAP at trustedanalytics.org.